Can I still build resilience when I'm 40? Yes. People often ask, am I too old to change? You can't teach an old dog new tricks. But the answer is no. It's never too late to build resilience. Absolutely not. Our brains stay adaptable throughout our lives. And I did a video on this a few weeks ago. Scientists call this neuroplasticity. It's our brain's ability to rewire, learn new patterns at any age, whether you're 40, 50, 10, or 80. And you can still teach new ways of coping, new ways of connecting, new ways of finding joy. If your past taught you to shut down, midlife resilience might mean learning to expand again, to take up space, to honor your needs, and to try things that scare you, even just a little. Every time you pause before reacting, every time you offer yourself compassion instead of criticizing yourself, every time you let yourself rest without guilt, every time you reach out instead of shutting down, those are bricks in your resilience foundation. Resilience has no age limit. Your nervous system can always learn new ways to cope, no matter how old you are. At 40, you've likely been through enough challenges like me to know what you truly want, what actually deserves your energy. That wisdom makes your resilience richer because you're not just reacting, you're responding with perspective. So, no matter what your age or your history, you're never done building resilience. It grows with you.